Hi, welcome guys. And here we are discussing the sociology questions from 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368 Now, question number 1 to 6, from which only 1, 2, 3 questions belongs to the um 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5 are 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is a project based question, and you have to write in the 500 words. If you are writing, if you are if you are looking for the assignments, you can contact us anytime. We are here for help you for providing all type of solutions. Thank you so much for watching. You have If you have other related queries, we are also help we can help you. Thank you so much.